In this session, we have ADNOC, who will be sharing with us on 3 of their challenge statements. The first statement is on seeking new energy efficiency solutions for buildings. The second challenge statement is on seeking new energy efficiency solutions and smart cities solution for street lighting. And the third statement is on seeking real-time data collection, analysis, and notification solutions for emergency response and maintenance system. ADNOC is a leading diversified energy and petrochemicals group. Headquartered in Abu Dhabi, ADNOC is a primary catalyst for the UAE's growth and diversification. We have with us today presenters Mr. Rashid El Masmari and Dr. Giancarlo Mangoni, both from ADNOC, to share more on the motivation behind their challenge statements, as well as the technicalities and desired outcome. Mr. Rashid El Masmari is the Senior Project Manager of ADNOC, overseeing business development and strategy planning. Dr. Giancarlo leads the strategic urban planning at ADNOC and is internationally recognized for his expertise in designing and developing smart cities projects. He also serves on the technical committees of international sustainable city conferences and sustainability NGOs, and also on the editorial board of the open access science journal, Frontiers in Sustainable Cities, Sustainable Infrastructure. I'd like to now pass the time over to Mr. Rashid. Please begin when you are ready.
Today, we are going to take you through an overview about ADNOC and the opportunities that ADNOC is offering through the challenges that we will go through via this presentation. We are one of the world's leading energy producers and primary catalysts for Abu Dhabi's growth and diversification. We operate across the entire hydrocarbon value chain through a network of fully integrated businesses with interests that range from exploration, production, storage, refining, and distribution, to the development of a wide range of petrochemical products. Since 1971, we have created thousands of jobs, driving the growth of a diverse knowledge-based economy, and played a key role in Abu Dhabi's global emergence. Today, we continue to look for new and innovative ways to maximize the value of our resources, pioneering those approaches and technologies that will ensure we are able to meet the demands of an ever-changing energy market and continue to have a positive impact on the Abu Dhabi economy for generations to come. On the industry, the Ruwais Industrial Complex is among the top 10 largest industrial zones in the world. The industrial complex includes the world's fourth largest refinery, one of the world's largest integrated polyolefin complex, and world-scale petrochemical and processing facilities. The UAE's strategic location gives a quick access to the Gulf Cooperation Council countries and the large growth markets of the India subcontinent, Africa, and Asia. Today, Ruwais Industrial Complex builds upon this strong position and reinforces the UAE's legacy as a critical logistics hub connecting the East with the West, allowing producers to benefit from this significant trade flow. The Ruwais Industrial Complex similarly enjoys secure access to abundant, high quality and competitive feedstock, world-class scalable land and marine infrastructure, advantaged logistics capabilities, and state-of-art machinery. Ruwais City in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi has expanded from a small village in 1982 into a diverse and vibrant residential community. The Ruwais city comprised of more than 65 different nationalities and a wide range of amenities that includes diverse school types, family-friendly recreation activities and facilities, festivals, international and local restaurants, and beaches. By then, I'll switch the presentation to my colleague, Dr. Giancarlo, to take you through the Ruwais Smart City projects.
The first project is focused on improving the energy efficiency of the buildings within Ruwais City. This is organized according to two main objectives. We want to reduce the building's energy consumption and improve their operations and maintenance performance and the costs of the related mechanical, electrical, and plumbing equipment. Second objective is to improve the operations, maintenance, and costs of the district cooling plant and the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing equipment in the related buildings that the plant is servicing. In terms of the technical scope, we encourage solutions that provide multiple ways of solving the problem or issue. So solutions that are submitted that are more narrow in focus will be less favorably looked upon than solutions that provide multiple ways of solving the problem. And this is because, of course, if we try to solve the issues in multiple ways, we tend to be more effective. So from a building energy perspective, solutions that improve the building's technical operations and maintenance, as well as improve the user behavior in an energy efficient perspective, will be looked upon favorably, as well as those that use data analytics and data collection and smart appliances to reduce energy consumption rates, as well as solutions that use both hardware and software to solve the issues. For the district cooling plant, improving the cost and energy efficiency of the existing district cooling plant and the related MEP equipment of the buildings it services will be looked upon favorably, as well as those that can be implemented in future district cooling plants, and those that use data analytics, data collection, to improve the operations of the district cooling plant, both in terms of operation efficiency and the amount of active workforce and monitoring that needs to occur at the plant. Hardware and software solutions are both encouraged, as well as strategies that are focused on optimizing workforce demand to increase reliability and to reduce the cost of the system. From an economics perspective, we are looking for solutions that reduce the operation costs of our energy system for the city and minimize the payback period of the solution, as well as maximize the solution's ROI. The second opportunity is focused on improving the efficiency of our street lighting. The objective of this challenge is to increase the energy efficiency of Ruwais' street lighting system, as well as to incorporate smart city infrastructure into our street lighting. Again, solutions that provide multiple ways of solving the issue will be most favorably looked upon. And so this can include motion sensor activated street lighting, as well as dimmable street lights. Solutions that can be incorporated both into our existing street lighting infrastructure and future infrastructure will be more favorably looked upon, as well as solutions that find ways to incorporate cost-effective smart city infrastructure into our street lighting system. So this can include real-time data collection, human or vehicular traffic management and observation, and public engagement. From an economic perspective, again, solutions that reduce the operation costs of our lighting system, as well as minimize the payback period of the solutions and maximize their ROI, will be looked upon most favorably. Our final challenge is improving the emergency response and maintenance systems of our city. So this is the objective of this challenge is to utilize our existing real-time data collection tools and new tools to increase the system efficiency and reduce our costs. So from a technical perspective, solutions should use both our existing data collection tools. We have video cameras, imagery, and other data collection tools, as well as new tools that are cost effective, such as digital innovations, audio, visual, infrared sensors, virtual sensors, sensor fusion, ambient sound analytics, and other innovative technology. A digital platform should be developed with real-time notifications that notifies the relevant departments and authorities about issues when they occur. Residents should be able to upload images that enhance or expedite emergency response and infrastructure maintenance processes so that we make sure that when issues occur within the city, we are able to respond to them in the most efficient and effective manner possible. The system should be capable of being integrated with existing Ruiz digital solutions that generate notifications and alerts to the residents, and it should be able to monitor the city continuously, 24/7. So again, from an economic perspective, we're looking for solutions that reduce the system's operation costs, both in terms of optimizing the system's workforce demand, as well as optimizing the required infrastructure, maintenance, and operations that come along with managing a system of this type. Solutions that minimize the payback period and maximize their return on interest will be most favorably looked upon. The way we'll develop these projects is first, once solutions are submitted for our review, we'll select the proposals that we believe are most effective at achieving our goals. Next, we will develop prototypes and pilot the solutions within Ruiz City. And finally, we will implement at a small scale, about the neighborhood level, the solutions to make sure that they work in real world context before we consider implementing them at the larger scale and distributing the solution and using the solution throughout the city. Thank you for your interest in considering our challenges. We are looking forward to receiving your submissions and reviewing them and working with you to improve the operations and efficiency of our city. Thank you very much for your consideration.